Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to integrate this A9G board with the Node-RED. I mean how to set up the serial communication between this A9G board and Node-RED using serial in and serial out node. So we are going to use the serial out node to send 80 commands to this A9G board, and we are going to use serial in node to read response from this A9G board. Okay, so previously we have created two videos, first for the introduction and second for the setting up the serial communication between Node-RED and A9G board. Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to send the basic 80 command from Node-RED to this A9G board, and then after we are going to read the response from this A9G board. So let's navigate to Node-RED. So here is our flow from the very first lecture, serial out node, and here is the serial in node. Serial out node is used to send the 80 command, and serial in node is used to read the response from this A9G board. So here is the main flow which we are going to use in this video. So first of all, we want to send the basic 80 command, okay, which is only 80. So whenever I do inject, it will send 80 command to this function node. So what it will send only this 80. So message.payload is equal to 80, and that thing this first node will send to this node, okay, I mean to the function node. So, and the function node will embed the payload. So function node will add /n in the payload, okay, and then after it will send to the next node. And what is the next node? So next node is, you can see, next node is navigating to, I mean link to here, okay. So it will send that 80 command with the /n to this A9G board, okay. And once we send that command to A9G board will respond us, okay. If it is connected, then it will respond us, and that thing we are going to catch from here, response from A9G board. So if I send the 80 command, okay, I have sent the 80 command, you can see the thing we have sent is 80, okay. In the inverted comma, double inverted comma, we have sent the 80, or you can say this is not a basic string, okay. If you send the basic string, then it will not look like this. This is not a basic string, so that is why we have to use this function. So this A9G board will understand that string, so that is why this function is helpful. So first we have sent this 80, then after we have got this 80 to here. So from the link node we have got it here, and then after it has been transferred to the A9G board. After that, A9G board has responded us that I have received this 80 command, and here is the response to that 80 command, which is okay. So if it is connected, then it will respond okay. If I remove the connection here, okay, you can see the LED is turned off, okay, you can see port is not connected. Even if I send the 80 commands here, you can see 80, okay. So this 80 belongs to this debug node, okay. If I go here, then this 80 belongs to this debug node, okay. But we haven't got any response from the A9G board, okay. So it means that it is not connected. So whenever you get this kind of error, it means our A9G board is not connected. So you can use this kind of string, okay, and you can create your logic in the function that if I have this kind of message, then flash some red LED that my A9G board is not connected, okay. So this is how you can send the basic 80 command to your A9G board. So let me connect the A9G board again, okay, which is connected now. And here if you go, in the moment it will be green and the state will be changed to connected, okay. It is connected now. I can you can see it is initialized, and you can see it is ready, okay. It will automatically initialize without doing anything, but if you want to check that it is up and running or not, then you can send the 80 commands like this, and in the response it will say I am okay. Got it? And I have modified this code, okay, and I have created two code based on this code. So here I am using the interval that inject one after 0.1 second, and every minute inject it, okay. So it will inject 80 to this A9G board every minute, it will catch the response, and based on the response it will turn on my LED that my A9G board is okay or not. Okay, so if I deploy it, you can see it has sent the AT command. Okay, I mean this AT command is coming from this debug node, and it is not coming from here because it's a disable. Okay, so whenever I inject it here, you can see the response is okay. I have also created a button for dashboard. So if we go to dashboard, you can see check modem status. So let me remove everything, and if I press this button check modem status, then you can see it will send the AT command. Okay, and in the response it will say okay, that I am okay and I have received the AT command, and this is the AT command which we have sent. Okay, so this is how it is going to be work. So either you use the inject node to send that AT command, either you can use this button to send the AT command, and then after you can catch response, okay, which is okay. So here I am checking for okay, that I am receiving any okay messages or not. If I am receiving any okay messages, then that is fine, my board is up and running. So that's all I have to check, that my board is up and running or not. So here you can see I am checking for okay. If payload.message includes okay, then that is fine, my board is okay. So we are going to set the payload as a true, and whenever we set payload as a true, it will turn on my LED modem status. You can see modem status LED is green. You can also add some more functionality to this flow. It's up to you how you want to design it, but it is a very basic Node-RED flow to check the modem status. Okay, you can also add delay, that if it is not coming up within 1 minute or 2 minutes, then it will turn into red, otherwise it will stay green. So however you want to make a logic, you can make a logic, but this is how you have to send the AT command to the A9G board from the Node-RED. So whatever command you want to send, you have to add like this, okay, in the payload. Then after you have to add this /n, which is called 0D in the hexadecimal. Okay, and then after you have to send that to serial out node. Okay, and then after you have to read the data from A9G board using serial in node. You can see here is a serial in node, and here is the configuration of our serial communication with the A9G board. Okay, and whatever response we are getting here, we can catch the response from this, or we can I have linked to everywhere. Okay, you can see also I have linked to here, so here I have linked it. Okay, so whatever response I am getting, I am checking for okay, and if it is okay, then modem status is green. If there is any error message, okay, if you want to see error message, then I can show you. So right now there is no incoming call, no outgoing call, and if I try to hang up the call, you can see I have got the error here. Okay, so if I'm getting any error, then it will turn into red, that modem is not okay. But if I check the modem status, okay, you can say if I have sent the AT command and I have received the response okay, right? So once I receive the response okay, it will turn into green. Okay, so this is how this is going to be work, and if you want to create something more into that, you can create it. Okay, so I hope this is clear, that how we can send the basic AT command to the A9G board from the Node-RED. And we have covered that how to check the modem status using AT command from the Node-RED. Now in the next video, what we are going to cover is placing call using Node-RED and A9G module, and we are going to dial the predefined number. So what we are going to do is we are going to just click on this button, make a call on fixed number. Also we are going to cover that how we have designed the flow. Okay, so once you click on this number, it will send the AT commands to this A9G board, and based on the AT command, this A9G board will call to that number, because I have inserted the SIM card in the back side of this A9G board. Okay, so that thing we are going to see in the next video, that how to make a call to predefined number. So you can use that in some alert mechanism. So if there is any alarm which is abnormal, then you can make a call to the fixed number. So that thing we are going to see in the next video. So this video is all about how to check the A9G board status. Okay, we are going to send the AT command, and once we send the AT command, it should respond to that AT command, and the response should be okay always. Okay, and if it is not okay, then it means there is some problem. So based on the response, we are going to check that modem is okay or not. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt or any concern, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Also, you can send a comment on this video. Also, you can email me for your doubts. So we will see you in the next video, and in the next video we are going to do this, that placing call using Node-RED and A9G module, and we are going to dial the predefined number. So stay tuned for the next video, and till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.